Let's walk through the IRS calculator. IRS is Portugal's personal income tax, and this tool shows how much the 2026 brackets put on your taxable income, along with your effective rate and the bracket you fall into. First, your annual taxable income. This is your income after the specific deductions, not your gross salary, and you'll find it on your IRS assessment note. Let's enter 25,000 euros. We leave the taxation as individual. You could switch it to joint for a couple. Instantly, the calculator shows your annual IRS, here just over 4,600 euros, with your effective average rate and your bracket. The breakdown below shows exactly how it's reached. The part of your income taxed at the average rate, and the part above it taxed at the higher marginal rate. That's it. Change your income or the taxation type and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.